channel Young Chef Aaron. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a quick, easy but smelly recipe which consists of dried fish and potato fry. People who do not like dried fish can eat potato and people who do not like potato can eat dried fish. So it goes for everyone in the family. I do not like the smell of dried fish, so I will be wearing this mask in the video. Come, let's see what all do we need. You will need dried fish. Any variety is fine and you can use how much ever you want. Make sure to wash the dried fish thoroughly 3 to 4 times so that the sand and mud particles get washed away. Most of the dried fishes are salted, so add salt correctly. I have chopped 2 medium-sized potatoes. You can chop how much ever potatoes you want as per the amount of dried fish you're using. You will need chili powder, turmeric and salt as per taste. For the first step, let's add the potatoes, then the dried fish, and then add all the masalas and give it a fine mix with your hand. Now the mix is done, we just have to shallow fry it. I'm gonna heat the tawa with 2 tablespoon oil and shallow fry it in 2 batches. The tawa is heated and I'm going to add it in 2 batches. And just mix it a bit. Close it and keep it for 3 minutes, then open it and give it a stir again. So now I'm going to open it and stir it. It is very smoky in the area. You will know when it's done, when the dried fish is crispy. Let's close it for another minute or 2. So now it's ready. We can transfer it, but before that let's first give it a good mix and then let's transfer it. I will be adding 2 more tablespoons of oil for the next batch. Make sure the whole pan is spread and covered in oil. So now I'll be adding the next batch. Let's mix it and then close it and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. So now it is tasting time. The potato is nice and soft and spicy. The fish is crunchy and crispy. It can be used as side dish for bread, chappathi and rice. So don't forget to try it, like it and share it!